Welcome back to A Car Chaser. Starting with the design, the Utopia showcases a breathtaking exterior that blends sleek lines with aggressive curves. The front features a bold aerodynamic profile highlighted by sharp LED headlights that give it an almost futuristic look. The signature Pagani front grille is flanked by prominent air intakes, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. Moving to the sides, the Utopia boasts a sculpted body with fluid shapes that not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics. The unique wheels, designed for both style and function, feature a multi-spoke layout that complements the car's aggressive stance. These wheels are fitted with specially engineered Pirelli PU tires designed to provide optimal grip and stability, ensuring that the Utopia can handle the high speeds and sharp corners with ease. The tire's performance is complemented by the rim's lightweight carbon fiber construction, which reduces unsprung weight and enhances overall performance. And of course, the iconic Pagani logo proudly sits on the rear, reminding us of its legacy. Under the hood, the Utopia is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbo engine that produces a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower. This powerhouse is paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear shifts. The Utopia can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest hypercars on the market. The interior of the Utopia is just as impressive as its exterior. With a focus on luxury and driver engagement, the cabin features a driver-centric layout, premium materials, and advanced technology. The dashboard is adorned with a high-resolution digital display that provides essential information at a glance. Customizable ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, while the handcrafted leather seats offer exceptional comfort and support. Now let's talk about the technology. The Utopia is equipped with cutting-edge features like adaptive cruise control, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and advanced connectivity options. These elements combine to create a seamless driving experience that keeps you connected and in control, whether you're on the track or cruising through the city. In terms of price, the Pagani Utopia is set to be a significant investment. With a starting price around $3 million, it's aimed at the most discerning collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry and performance of a Pagani. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 2025 Pagani Utopia. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content from A Car Chaser. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into another exciting vehicle.